सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को हिट कीजिए सीए कोर्स रिलेटेड ऑथेंटिक अपडेट्स पाने के लिए। हमारे कम्युनिटी सेक्शन को देखना मत भूलिएगा क्योंकि उसमें मिलेंगी आपको आने वाली वीडियोस की जानकारी सबसे पहले।
Hey friends, my name is Manpreet Kaur and I am here with a video for the student who was not able to make their CA examination this time. So I would like to brief about myself. My name is Manpreet Kaur. I'm a chartered accountant. I qualified my exam in 2012 and for the last 5 years I'm in corporate job. I'm working as in an investment banking firm in debt syndication department where I work for companies, listed companies to arrange their debt. Excited, right? But the things was not same as before. When I started CA in back 2007, I was very nervous for this course because there were a lot of questions on me that will she able to make it? I didn't think so she will do it, but I have to do it. So I started. I was very bright student at my school. When I started, I cleared my CPT in one go. But when I came into PCC, it was not easy. I gave my exam for the first time. I was very confident, but to the contrary, I failed. I tried again, once again, and I again failed. I once again tried and again failed. So it was very difficult for me to get this fact done that I am failing. I am Manpreet, who was so bright student at school, never failed any time before, and now I fail again and again and again. And people started questioning me that, are you able to do it? Wouldn't you think that second option? What about doing MBA? But I wanted to complete the CA. So I tried and tried, and luckily I got managed to clear my PCC. But when I entered in final, I again failed. By that time, I was frustrated and angered about myself. So I approached one mentor who guided me, and he advised me to read some books. And I started reading a lot. I started read and about people who were in situation worse than mine, but able to achieve more than what I am in the present situation. I read about a lady who was rejected by 11 times, different publisher, and today we know her as J.K. Rowling for her Harry Potter series, and she is the millionaire author. I read about a man who many times tried to get a job from different aspect and rejected even from KFC, from army, and today that man rule the Chinese empire. He's the founder of Alibaba.com, Jack Ma. I read about a lady who was raped at the age of 7 year and 9 year, and when she was 13 she was pregnant. When she got her first job, people laughed at her and said that she's too emotional for this kind of job. And today, we know her as the queen of radio, the Oprah Winfrey. I read about a scientist who, at the age of 17, diagnosed with a rare disease, who paralyzed his muscle building power, and doctor said that he will not survive more than 2 years. And today, that scientist is living and had given many theories on Big Bang, Stephen Hawking. So when I read about these personalities, the only question was going on my mind: how they were able to get from their current situation to the situation they are in now, and why, if they can, why I can't. So I get back to my mentor and I asked him that, how, explain me how. And he gave me one statement: a person always wins first in his mind and then in the real world. I repeat, a person always wins first in his mind and then in real world. And that hooked me. He explained the statement in a story. He told me that, Manpreet, you know what? Once there was a child who was walking with his father in the hilly area. Both were walking, and suddenly the child fell down. He got injured, so he shouted, "Ah!" To his surprise, he heard back, "Ah!" He was confused. He wanted to know what happened. So he asked, "Who are you?" He heard back, "Who are you?" He got more curious and he started to shout, "You are a coward!" He heard back, "You are a coward!" He started crying because he was not able to get the message. He looked at his father and asked, "What's happening?" Then his father explained, "Son, stop crying and pay attention." His father shouted, "You are a champion!" And he heard, "You are a champion!" The child was confused. He was not able to understand what's happening. So his father explained that, "Son, this is how our mind operates. Whatever you give in your mind, you will get back in your life." So my mentor explained me that, Manpreet, if you can tell your mind that you will win, you will clear your exam, you definitely will. But if you focus your entire energy on thinking that I failed this time and I will not be able to make it, my batchmates are stepping ahead and I'm still here, guess what? You're going to get the same result. So he told me to make a note of this statement and keep it in front of you. A person always wins first in his mind and then in real world. And I did that. I learned that statement and I used to daily sing that statement. I whenever I used to start go to study, I used to read that statement, and finally I was able to clear my examinations. I was very happy. My families was very happy. And not only C examination, after that, till now, I am still practicing this statement that if I can win in my mind, I can win in the anything I want to achieve, I can achieve. So friends, if you are feeling low or dull, I have only one statement for you. If you can win in your mind, you can win in your real world. So stay focused, will have a winning image in your mind, and I wish you all the best for your upcoming examination. And if you followed this advice, which was given by my mentor to me, you will surely, surely, surely going to succeed. Take care. God bless.